So hey guys, welcome to Tons.
Where they go today?
We're gonna open up mini brands. So I opened up the first wrapping, so they're mini brand toys, and Caroline's opening up normal mini brands. So let's go and open them up. We already opened the first layer because we were so excited. So let's go ahead and open it. So got off.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I really need help. My fingers are too small.
Here.
Okay. Now we can open it up.
So
like orange.
yes. How do you open it up?
Oh, like this.
Oh. Ooh, guys, look. There are 5 surprises. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. All right. Ooh, one fell off, but I don't care. Okay. First one. Ooh, guys, we got a mini box of crayons. All right. What's this? Look, see? Next, we'll see what I got. Guys, I got Airheads. Okay. This is so cute. What is this? Oh my gosh, it's a mini lip toy. Next, let's see what we get. Oh my gosh, I got the sugar.
I got a chocolate.
Sugar princesses. Last one. Ready? Go. Ooh, we got a SpongeBob toy. And we also got this.
Guys, I got animal crackers.
Ooh, wait, I actually got one more. Let's see. Last one. Ready? Go. What did I get? I got the Care Bears. Look how cute these are. Okay, let's see.
Guys, I got cereal.
These are so cute. OMG. You can put it here, Caroline.
Nah.
So let me show you. We got the Care Bears. We got the SpongeBob toy.
Can I get the Care Bear?
Oh my gosh, Shimmer Friends. This lip toy, bath bomb, I guess. And this box of cute little crayons.
Can I have the crayons?
Wait. And that's it for today, guys. We're gonna go back home and unbox the other fidgets we got. We also got a slime kit, so we're gonna go and make some slime buys. Bye!